Hi everyone, my name is Achal Jadhav and my topic name is opinion on concept of work from home, and the subject is organizational behavior. So let's start with the meaning. The meaning is that an employee is a working from their house, apartment, or a place of residence rather than working from the office. Many companies have a work from home policies or remote work policies that allows their employees to work from home either full time or when it most convenient for them. So this is the short meaning of work from home, and here is the history. So here the remote workers weren't born overnight when the internet was first created in a 1980s. Working remotely was the norm long before downtown offices and communicating even existence. Before the industrial revolution, everyone worked out of their homes. This is also when the people started commuting to designated office spaces. The next is my opinion on work from home is that as per my knowledge I can say that work from home is a good because due to this corona pandemic situation this is not possible to go office to do their work. Work from home is a it is really beneficial to employees and employer according to the today's situation. Travel time to and from the office will be saved for the home work from home, and also we can spend more time with family. This is beneficial for many, especially for parents of young children. So this is my opinion. The next is can you give that option to employees? Yes, because if I am owner of the company, so I would like to give that option to the employees because this option is very important for the whole company. Employees are not coming to the office due to the pandemic. I can give that option to employees, and I would like to give some tips on employees, and the tips are in the next slides. So here is the tips. The first tips is employee to work for the hours he or she will work otherwise in office. Second is maintain a proper work schedule. Third is if a person break are being taken for a personal work, proper status should be sent to manager. Fourth one is designated a place at home where work can be done in professional setting. A fifth one is make sure you have a proper internet and mobile connectivity. Then last one is sixth one, have a proper routine with breaks. So these are the points for the employees. The next is what is the advantages of work from home. So here the first one is work home balance. It is means that many of us, especially women, find it is very difficult to maintain a balance between work and home. Mom has so much more responsibilities, so doing work from home many may help them to coordinate the work with managing home. Then next is no travel. So here the traveling is probably the most hated part of going to office. So there is no need to travel. So this is the one benefit of the work from home. Then third one is less stress. Since you do not have to differentiate between the family time and the office time, so you are a less stressful. And last one is more family time. It means that as such you can spend more time with the family. You are working at a ease of your home, so you need to worry doing your works just then. You can work whenever you are free, thus giving you more family time. So these are the advantages. Then next is disadvantages are there, and only three disadvantages. First one is isolation. Isolation is that since you are working from home and you are isolated from your colleagues and boss, as such you always will be the last person know about and changes or any task. Sometimes they do not keep you in loop. So this is the first point, isolation. And then next is distraction. Hmm? Since being a homemaker is a full-time job already, working from home may cause many distraction. You have to attend the guest, cook food, and clean home. Maybe you get too much involved in homework, and then that you do not get time to complete the office work. So this is the one kind of disadvantages from work from home. The last one is endless work. It is that, since already said, being a homemaker is a full-time job, of you bring your office at home too, then there will be no office hours too, and you will have to work day and night. So this is the last advantages. Thank you.